Okay, James. So is this the first time you decided to get a hairpiece, or you already got the experience with hairpiece before?
No, this is the first time.
First time, okay. Can you show me a little bit about your balding area, like on the crown and the back? Yeah. Let me see the side and the back. Okay, looks like the balding area right now it's pretty big right now. It's kind of like a fully bodied on the 8x10 that normally we call the toupee area. So do you want something like a kind of a permanent attach, like or you want to take off every night?
A permanent attach would be better, yes.
What's your first major concern? Natural looking, durability, easy maintenance?
Looking natural would be and durability, obviously.
Okay. Based on what you told me, I will give you one model. The model name is HD105, and because of this model is kind of tricky. If you want to take off and put it back by yourself, I will recommend you go with the Ghost Bond. So
okay.
Let me share the screen with you. Okay, again, show you what's the. So I think the earliest one I can bring you in is July 26th, which is 6 days after. Yeah.
That's perfect because I go back to work on July 30th and then I won't be available daytime at all.
Okay, so. That's perfect.
Okay.
Do you have any other questions about this?
No, I'll see you guys on July 26th.
Sounds good.
Wonderful.
All right. Bye. Bye, James.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, welcome to Superhairpieces. This is Brian. Now today we have James. He's coming for his first time installation. Hi James, how are you?
I'm well, how are you?
That's great, I'm great. Thank you so much. How do you feel?
Nervous, excited, both at the same time, but really looking forward to seeing the end result.
Yes, of course. It'll be really exciting. It will be like a new journey for you for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, of course. And how did you decide to choose hair system?
I've been looking into this place actually for probably 7 or 8 years. And it's like, should I not? And I just, let's go for it. Try it.
Sure, definitely, Yeah, so today we have 3 sets as well, so should be for your hair stylish, should get it a nice thing as well. Now let's wait for the result. How was the
It was a
process?
fantastic experience,
Uh-huh.
and I would recommend it to anyone and everyone who is thinking about it. Go for it. It's an incredible experience. Yeah.
Nice, really appreciate it. So how was their appointments? So the consultation. How
Well,
was
the consultation was amazing. It was very informative, and then coming into selecting the color, the hairpiece, the styling, from beginning to end, it was an absolutely fantastic experience.
Hi, thanks for coming. Enjoy the